Hi guys, my name is Caris Williams, aka the Salvage Sister, and I'm in Brighton in the UK. Now today I have some super exciting news to share with you, and I'm just literally tingling. I have been chosen as one of ESAB's elite, and that means that all year I'm going to be showing you all my welding tips and tricks when I'm fabricating things, you know, things that I've learnt along the way. I'm going to be showing you all the projects that I'm working on, and there's also the other elite in the team, and they're going to be doing exactly the same thing. So if you head to esab.com/elite, you'll be able to see all of us on there and all of our tips, tricks and news to help you on your way. So the next thing that I'm going to do is unveil my welcome package. This literally is the first time I've opened it, so I have no idea what's in here. This looks interesting. I think I got me a workshop banner. This is literally like Christmas. Way better than Christmas. All the goodies fell on the floor. I'm not very good at present opening. Do you know what? I never get presents. Look at that. I've got my own little rucksack. My voice is going really high. You can tell I don't get I don't get treated much, do I? Look at that. That's epic. That's going to go great on the back of the motorbike. Can never have too many rucksacks. Oh, look at that. Welcome to the team, and it's signed by everyone. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, they're really, like, I'm touched. Yay, t-shirt. Woohoo! Made it really dusty dropping it on the floor, but I guess it's going to get worse, and it might even get some burn holes in it yet. Definitely putting that on. My God, it fits! I love it. This is so exciting. What's in here? This is really heavy. These stickers. Oh my God, there's loads of stickers. Basically, going to cover the whole house, the workshop, the car, truck, everything. Motorbike. They're all going to get one of these stickers. Oh, you know me so well. I literally drive everyone in the house mad with they're normally protein shake mugs, but this is to keep my coffee warm. Hallelujah. I love it. I love it all. Like I say, I am so excited to be part of the elite team, and I just can't wait to show you loads of welding tips and tricks this year. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah.